same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up.
Hey everyone, it is Eliza's #1 show. So today I've kind of just got ready and everything like that, because today is the day when I'm actually picking my car up and everything else like that. So we are gonna pick up the car about 1 o'clock, half one. So yeah, so I am just putting a few stuff in this bag. So I've got my favourite one, the cotton candy. I've got this to put in there, and then I've got this sort of plastic wallet thing to like put all of the car manual stuff and just things like that, just to keep it safe and secure kind of thing. Also, I'm actually thinking of maybe putting this in, but I'm gonna, when we get the car back, I can do that and different things like that. So yeah, anyway, I am gonna stop there, and closer to the time I will vlog again. Yeah, so yeah. Hey everyone, so we are walking to get my car. So yeah, can't believe it is actually happening. So even my mum's really happy about it. Aren't you, Mum?
Oh, definitely happy. Happy, 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 happy.
Yeah, so I'm so happy with my car. Can't get it.
Put your purse in there, sure.
Yeah, so so we are walking, and we're meant to be like there by like 1 o'clock.
And it's what? 5 to?
Yeah, so we need to like kind of hurry. So I'm gonna leave it there, and then I'll film everything. Or try not to film everything, but you know what I'm like though.
Won't be dealing with Jeff.
So we are very close to get our car now, my car, and I'm literally shaking and I'm like in tears kind of thing.
Oh, this is where you said about the foot. That's yours? Hold on.
So we are in the car, so yeah, what do you think? We're in my new car.
Get your seatbelt on.
I have already.
Oh, well, climb the box.
Yeah, so I'm in the car already, and yeah.
Now to see what it's like.
We've got the car back here, so I'm gonna do some decoration bits. So I'm gonna put in my car this pug pillow in the back, and then I'm going to put this in the boot and just kind of generally sort it out slowly in my car. So yeah, so I'm kind of really looking forward to having my car and everything like that. So I'm gonna yeah, so I've got the keys, which I love. Yeah, so the keys. So yeah, I'm loving it. So I'm gonna stop there and let's get on with some work. A lump right there. So yeah. So anyway, in a few weeks time I will be doing but so basically I want to sort everything out. So I want to get the floor mats the steering wheel cover and the seatbelt pad, the bling seatbelt pad, so it would set my car off altogether. So yeah, and then afterwards, when I get all of that stuff done, then I will do a car tour if you want me to. So comment down below if you want to see a car tour on my channel. I thought, to be honest, I kind of in the future I do have a few videos where I want to use my car, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to it, really. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna leave it there, and I guess I'll see you soon. So bye, and thank you for watching. Hello, welcome to Eliza #1 show. So today's video is, I want to talk to you about what I wanted to do when I was younger. So basically, when I was younger, I wanted to be a choreographer, and I wanted to dance in the parade at Disneyland Paris, or in Disneyland. So yeah, that was my kind of goal, what I wanted to do when I was younger. And then at the age of 13, I couldn't do that dream anymore because I had a big major operation, what is called sclerosis operation. So basically my back was like bent, so it was like an S sort of shape on my spine, and basically they had to like break a few bones to put metal rods in my back to straighten my back up. And basically I wanted to live out my dream of being a dancer, but I couldn't do any dance or go to any dance classes, because the whole dance classes, it was more of a struggle for me, because it was more of gymnastics based, and I thought it would be quite a struggle for me with the gymnastics base. So anyway, right, I'm gonna like move over here. So anyway, I kind of felt, right, I really want to do this, but I kind of had to stop with dancing because I felt it was more of the gymnastics space of dance, where you need to do splits and the flips and yeah, goodness gracious what. So basically then I kind of felt that, oh, I want to do dance but I don't know how to, and I got quite low with myself because I wanted to do dance but I couldn't, because it was more what I said, flips and gymnastics base, and I kind of really pushed myself, like, Lizzie, what are you actually going to do, because of different things like that. So basically, hopefully in a few weeks time, maybe a few months time, I can actually show you in my future videos. So yeah, it is gonna hopefully help me a lot of what I've actually missed out and everything like that. So hopefully that what I've learned from this, of all of my life, is to do what makes you happy. And even though it is like gymnastics based or very hard because you won't be able to cope, do what change the style kind of thing. So that's where I'm actually gonna go in a few weeks time or a few months time, and hopefully you can support me of what you do see in my videos in the future, because even though I had a back operation of sclerosis, I want to inspire people so much that even you've got a problem, you can do more if you don't let the problem face you. So I kind of want to inspire people, because yeah, life hasn't been easy, but do you know what? I'm not gonna start moaning about it. I'm gonna live my life best and actually see what happens in the future, because in the future an opportunity might actually come and I'm gonna grab that opportunity, of course. So yeah, that's kind of the video I kind of want to talk to you about, because of the story, my story of my life. And I kind of wanted to share with you that yeah, I stopped dance, but my passionate was about dance, and we are going to change the style a lot in the future of the coming months or a few weeks time, and you're gonna see my friends, my new friends, like my friend Dave. He is also a dancer, and he is a dance choreographer as well, teacher as well. So I want you to, like, don't get upset because I've left my life, like I didn't want to dance, because I'm not worried about it at all. I'm actually just gonna be more focused on my future now, of what I'm actually gonna do on my YouTube. So I do hope you can all support me and everything like that, and that even though I can't do it properly, just support me, because I've come a long way of like my back operation, and yeah, I will improve myself. Even if I can't do it, first of all, I'll keep practicing and practicing until I get there. And yeah, so you might actually see in the future dance choreography dance videos from me and my friend Dave as well, and a few other people, who knows. So please be supportive of whatever I do in my videos and so on. So I'm gonna stop there, leave you and love you and leave you, and I just want to say a big thank you to all of you guys, you lot, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Let's see if we can reach 350 subscribers. I know we can, and at some point, so let's do that. So yeah, so I'm actually gonna go and then I'm gonna see you next week. So bye!